Have you heard of the famous Chinese dish, 3-cup chicken? It gets its name because the recipe calls for exactly 3 cups of sauce. 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of rice wine, and 1 cup of sesame oil. Cut the chicken into chunks. Marinate with a little salt, black pepper, and cooking wine to remove any gamey taste. For the sauce base, add 2 spoons of sugar and a spoonful of chicken essence to the soy sauce. Slice the ginger. Heat oil in a pan, and toss in a little garlic and the ginger slices. Add the chicken and pan fry for 5 to 7 minutes until both sides are golden brown. Then, add the rest of the garlic, onions, pour in the 3-cup sauce mixture and add half a cup of water. You can also add chili peppers if you like it spicy. Toss in the remaining basil. Keep stir frying on high heat to prevent burning. Stir until the sauce reduces and thickens. It's ready to serve.